How often do you write an email?
Almost every day, especially when I need to contact my friends who live abroad. I keep in touch with them through emails.
Who do you write to?
It varies. When it comes to work, I normally write one to my colleagues. Also, I write emails to my friends, old teachers, and sometimes I must write some official emails as well.
What kind of email do you receive that makes you happy?
Of course, the ones from my friends and old teachers make me happy. I like receiving news from them, and I haven't seen them for quite long, so those emails make me feel really good.
Do you think it's important to reply to emails quickly?
When it comes to work-related emails, yes, it's quite important to respond as quickly as possible to get things going.
Well, when I get to spend my free time on my own, I always spend time watching films. It's simple but the most effective way of relieving my stress. Recently, I haven't done it that often, only like once a month. But whenever I get to watch movies, I think I spend more than 5 hours on it. Usually I watch films at cinemas, because there is my favorite cinema right in front of my apartment, but when there's no new films that I want to watch, I just spend time at home watching films on Netflix. Actually, I'm a huge movie fan. I feel really excited and relaxed while I watch films, so whenever I have some time, I tend to do it. It's the best way for me to feel better quite instantly. Also, I think I like it because I can just clear my mind. Whenever I watch films, I don't get to think much about what I have to do, which makes me feel a lot better. All I need to do is focus on what's going on in a film. So, it's like the best way of spending free time for me. How do you usually plan your free time?
Well, I just try to figure out what I have to do or what I want to do and check how much time I can spend on something. If it's nothing special like shopping or watching movies, I just get to do it. But when it comes to traveling, I start planning what to do, where to go as early as possible.
Do you think modern lifestyles give people enough time for leisure?
Not really, no. Actually, modern people tend to have more days off at work and can take a rest on weekends compared to the past, but the workloads as a whole have become heavier, so they don't have enough time for leisure. I think so. People these days tend to enjoy their lives more than the ones in the past as they go on a holiday relatively longer, have more days off, and they only work for 5 days a week. I'm sure modern people definitely have enough time for leisure.
Do you think it's important for people to have leisure time?
Yes, of course. People must have some time to relax and recharge their batteries at some point to enhance their motivation and productivity. Also, by having some time off to enjoy, they can refresh themselves that can lead them to have a better condition both physically and mentally.